In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to start by holding your device's display. Now select theme over here. After that, you need to tap on the one that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. And when you're ready, select home button. As you can see, theme of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!